Here's some breaking news coming in from Mumbai. Major fire in Mumbai's Mankhurd area. Fire in a scrapyard. Several fire engines have rushed to spot trying to douse the fire. Here you get visuals coming in of the smoke billowing. Fire broken out at the Mankhurd area in Mumbai at a scrapyard. Fire tenders have rushed to the spot. They're trying to douse the fire. Several fire engines are at the spot. The situation seems to be quite severe. As of now, no casualties reported, but this is reports coming in from the Mankhurd area where a massive fire has broken out. The fire in a scrapyard. Several fire engines are pressed into action to try and douse the fire. No reports of any casualties as yet, but still the reason, the cause of the fire is unknown. It's still uncertain what led to this fire outbreak, but it's quite a major fire right here in Mumbai's Mankhurd area. Visuals coming in, live visuals that you see here is of the spot where fire has broken out again. The reason for the fire outbreak has to be ascertained, but for now we know that this fire has broken out at a scrapyard. In fact, Mankhurd area is quite vulnerable considering that back in June 2020 as well, a similar fire broke out at the scrap compound in Mankhurd area where again no casualties are reported, but this seems like quite a vulnerable area there. The scrap yards, quite some combustible material possibly that's in the vicinity that's led to this fire spark. Saurabh Bhaktania reporting from Mumbai. Saurabh, Mankhurd area, another fire reported, a massive one this time. We're looking at some thick smoke billowing. What's the reason for the fire? Anyone trapped? Give us some details.
So Nabila, right now it's a very initial stage, and let me tell you, in a very less time, the fire has turned into a very severe fire. The fire brigade official told us that it's level 3, so it's a massive fire, like you mentioned. But let me tell you, all the scrap from all over the Mumbai has been dumped at this particular area. Let me tell you, there are over hundreds of godowns in this Mankhurd and Kurla area where this fire has taken place. Most of the surrounding has the similar shops. Now, what the fire officials have told us that they are trying to vacate the whole area, but the lanes are very much narrow and it's completely a hutment type, and therefore it's getting very difficult for the fire vehicles to actually reach the particular place where this actually fire has occurred. So right now, the fire brigade officials are actually facing a lot of problem, but they are trying in very hard. As of now, no one is trapped or no one is injured, but they are not ruling out any possibility of people being trapped inside because it's a huge area. Let me tell you, over hundreds of shops of scraps are present in this particular area, and this fire has occurred right in the center of Mankhurd and Kurla scrapyard. So it is going to be a very difficult task for the fire officials to douse the whole fire and start the cooling operation. But as of now, let me tell you, the fire is very major in nature. It's a very critical situation. Right now, the fire is of level 3. They are taking help of the Mumbai police and also the BMC officials to surround the area, to properly vacate the area so that the fire vehicles, because fire vehicles are very huge, so that it can go into this narrow lanes and try to douse the fire. And currently the rescue operation is going on.
Right, you rightly said Mankhurd area is quite a sensitive spot considering that all the dump around of Mumbai is, or rather the scrap material from Mumbai is dumped in that yard. In June 2020 as well, last year, a similar situation was reported. A huge fire had broken out. It took quite many of the fire engines to douse that fire. Haven't the government learnt any lessons? Is this not an area that needs to be thoroughly checked? Ensure that a situation like this doesn't occur? We're looking at a second incident, or many more actually in the past have been reported. What are the government officials saying? Any word from the government on why this fire has erupted? We know that there's a lot of combustible material that's in the vicinity there. All right, we're going to try and patch back to Saurabh Bhaktania, but here, like Saurabh said, all the scrap, at least this is a common dumping yard for scrap material from across of Mumbai at the Mankhurd area. Here we're looking at a huge fire breaking out. The reason for the fire outbreak is still unknown, but we're looking at smoke billowing. No report on whether anyone's trapped as yet. No report of any casualties as yet, but several fire tenders are at the spot trying to douse this fire.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.